Given that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equivalent to 1, show that tan squared plus 1 is equivalent to sec squared, and 1 plus cot squared is equivalent to cosec squared. Okay, so we've got sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equivalent to 1. Don't get bogged down by this symbol here. If we divide everything through by cos squared theta, we're going to get sine squared theta over cos squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos squared theta is equivalent to 1 over cos squared theta. Now we know that sine theta over cos theta is equivalent to tan theta, so this can be replaced with tan squared theta, and we know that cos squared divided by cos squared is 1, and then 1 over cos theta is equivalent to sec theta, so this is equivalent to sec squared theta because it's 1 over cos squared. So we've proved the first one. Now for the second one, start going back to sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equivalent to 1. If we divide through by sine squared theta, we're going to get sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta plus cos squared theta divided by sine squared theta is equivalent to 1 over sine squared theta. Now cos theta over sine theta is equal to 1 over tan theta, and 1 over tan theta is the same as cot theta. So we're going to get 1 from here plus cot squared theta because we've got cos squared over sine squared. Here I showed you that cos over sine is equal to cot theta. And then 1 over sine theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, this is equivalent to cosec theta. So we've got the expression 1 plus cot squared theta is equivalent to cosec squared theta. So, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equivalent to 1, and tan squared theta plus 1 is equivalent to sec theta, and 1 plus cot squared theta is equivalent to cosec theta are known as the Pythagorean identities. They are worth actually remembering. However, you can always go back to this one, which is probably the easiest to remember, and derive the other two. So this has been a video to show you the 3 Pythagorean identities. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.